Howdy, everybody. Steve here, KM9G. I'm going to be bringing you the best in Black Friday deals for the Black Friday holiday season. That joke never gets old. These are from DX Engineering. That means big boy products on sale at big boy prices, but slightly discounted big boy prices. Let's go take a look. Not only does DX Engineering have a ton of stuff, over 100 different items on sale, they also have some really good deals on base station transceivers. So you can get the FTDX10 with $100 off, $1599.95 on sale for Black Friday. The 7100 kind of fits into two categories. It is a really handsome base station if you want a compact little thing to sit next to your laptop, your contest station, whatever the case may be, so that you don't take up too much desk space. And a lot of your control surface type stuff is in the head. I mean, not only is the VFO in the head, but the microphone connector's in the head, and the speaker's in the head, and the CW key controller is in the head. Everything else is in the base, and tuck that away underneath your desk and kind of, just don't kick it. I was going to say kind of forget about it, but that seems wrong. The 718 is ICOM's like entry level 100 watt HF transceiver, and it's a good like club station radio. You want to put it in the club and you're not afraid to have people work on it or play with it or tinker with it or whatever the case may be, because it's $859.95 on sale for the Black Friday. Another really good Black Friday deal is the ICOM 7610. It's like the 7300 but all grown up with extra features. And it is on sale for $100 off, $3399.95. We've got a couple of honorable mentions down here with the instant rebates, but these instant rebate things are kind of always going on. The 7300 and the 710 are both pretty decent radios. The 710 Field is missing the speaker, so you save a little bit of extra money by not getting that speaker. HF radios with external speakers are really nice. Really high quality speakers really make a difference for HF transceivers. You should try it one day. I'm sure you've got an old speaker laying around somewhere. Since we talked about mobile a little bit the last time, let's talk about mobile for real. Don't forget about the ICOM 7100. It makes a fantastic radio for the car. But we've got some transceivers that are on sale that are mobile rigs for your car. ICOM's got their 2-meter VHF only for $239.95, and if this is like the 2730, it probably doesn't come with a bracket. A couple of other guys on instant rebate. Alinco, where's Alinco been lately? Their radio, their DR735T VHF UHF is on sale for $329.95, so you're saving $15 on that one, it looks like. I bet that one comes with a mobile mounting bracket. Alinco's got a couple other ones on sale, including a 6-meter mobile, and 6-meter is open now, so pretty cool stuff. 6 meters when it's open is a lot of fun. They call it the magic band, and there's a reason for that. And this one here, 1.25 or 222 megahertz. You don't see a whole lot of that, so get it while it is on sale for $259. Looks like $10 off on that one. It's going to be hard to find a radio with a really huge sale price on it. For some reason, they just don't seem to have a whole lot of margin on them. But those are the deals on radios. And if you go to DX Engineering's website, click the link in the description down below, tell them I sent you by clicking that link, you will find their on sale items of just about everything you need. Coax and tools and power supplies. $134 for a 30 amp power supply. Actually, I run an Alinco 30 amp power supply, one of these, in my ham shack because I like it for its compact size. And they're not as noisy as people think they are. Rig Expert antenna analyzers. There's that 7100 again. And look at this, 10 pages worth of stuff. Make sure you click the link in the description below, and don't forget about your big boy box stores like DX Engineering, and skip out on that Amazon nonsense. And if you want to go to see all the Amazon nonsense, I've got a video for you right here with a complete Amazon ham station that you can get, almost all of it. I kind of cheated and put 2 things in that aren't Black Friday deals. Forgive me, but it was like $5 for one of them. And, it opens up the fun of 2-meter digital modes. Go take a look at that video.